Everyone thinks they have a financial plan. Some just pray Fartcoin goes to the moon. Others purchase a Grant Cardone course. Regardless, you're 100% set up for failure. But there's actually a tier list of money decisions that separates the 1% from the people who'll be renting forever. And spoiler, it's not rocket science. But these are the 7 moves you're not doing that are destroying your net worth. First decision, not visualizing your future. I know vision boarding sounds like woohoo wellness BS, but I'm not telling you to align your chakras. It's a fact that if you don't picture what you want, you'll never know what it costs. Say you want a house by the beach in California in 20 years. Cool, that house is $5 million. Now your vague dream isn't being rich someday, it's a number. Without that, you're just wandering around blindly clinging to a dream that will never come true. Second decision, not tracking where your money actually goes. You're probably bleeding $200 at the bars, another $200 on subscriptions you forgot about, eating out, fancy gym memberships, and you don't even realize it. Pick a budgeting app, sync your credit cards, debit cards, loans, and just actually look at the numbers. I'd bet you're bleeding money and don't even know it. The moment you realize it is uncomfortable, but it's also where change starts. You can't fix what you can't see. Third decision, tracking spending, but never setting limits. Visibility is step 1. Budgeting is where you drill down. Drinking at the bars comes down from $200 to $100. Dining out from $500 to $250. Line by line, category by category. Set disciplined budgets and stick to it. This is the boring stuff no one wants to talk about, but this type of discipline is exactly how you build long-term wealth. Fourth decision, saying you're gonna save and invest more without a concrete number is just vibes. Don't say I'll be rich. Say I will save and invest $5,000 this year. Write it down, look at it every day. Vague goals are wishes, numbers are plans. Fifth decision, you're letting cash rot. So let's say you finally saved your first 10K, but now it's sitting in a savings account gaining 0.1% interest. Congrats, you'll retire in 3,000 years. You gotta put that money to work or you're always gonna be working for your money. Open a brokerage and automatically place a few bucks into VOO every month, which just tracks the S&P 500 and has historically averaged around an 8% return per year. I know it's not super riveting, but time and compounding is a secret sauce to wealth. Sixth decision, only trading time for money. Jobs pay linearly, wealth doesn't. You need leverage, business, a product, or an asset that scales without your constant time input. A job keeps you working forever, but with leverage you become the boss. And then there's the final one, the 7th decision, lifestyle inflation. Let's say you get promoted with a better salary. Congrats. Most people will get a raise and immediately lease a new fancy BMW or get some expensive clothes. Net result, you're still breaking even just with a better lifestyle. Here's the actual play. When your income goes up, your spending doesn't. Eventually, your assets start compounding fast enough to pay for the lifestyle instead of your job trying to keep up with it. This shifts dependence away from earned income from your job to passive income from the growth of your investments. That's the difference between people who are wealthy and people who just look wealthy. If you actually do these 7 things, you're operating in the top 0.1% of financial discipline. Most people won't, but don't be most people. If you actually want to build wealth and not just look like you're doing fine, subscribe. This has been Terminal Value, and I'll see you in the next one.